for this video. Please allow me to quickly introduce you to my super useful product for sewers.
Discover the ultimate sewing companion with 600 sewing projects. Packed with a massive collection of sewing projects, this easy-to-navigate PDF is your gateway to endless creativity. Simply click on a category, whether it's bags, clothes, bedding, toys, headwear, or an extensive variety of other plans like accessories, zippers, plushies, quilts, scarves, and a lot more. Each of the 600 projects contains a detailed explanation on how to make them, with lots of images, materials, step-by-step instructions, and even videos. Visuals for every project help you quickly decide what to add to your to-do list. With built-in notes pages, you can easily save and organize your favorite